Bristy was a tiny toothbrush with soft blue bristles and a big smile. Every morning she waited excitedly on the sink. "Good morning. Time to brush," she called. But little Ayan said, "Later. I'm too sleepy," and ran away. Day after day, Bristy felt sad. One night, she saw tiny sugar bugs dancing on Ayan's teeth. "Yay! No brushing today," they laughed. Bristy stood tall and shouted, "Go away. These teeth need cleaning." The next morning, Ayan had a toothache. "Ouch! My tooth hurts," he cried. Mama gave him Bristy and said, "Brushing keeps teeth strong and healthy." Ayan brushed carefully, swish swish swish. The sugar bugs ran away screaming. Bristy smiled proudly. From that day, Ayan never skipped brushing again. Moral: good habits keep us healthy.